morning, sir.
Namaste, namaste. Wait 5 minutes. So many students are joining into my class, that's why. It takes 5 to 10 minutes, at least 3 to 5 minutes.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. So keep your voice in mute condition.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. Okay, good morning, my dear students. Only triply. Okay, good morning. In which triply and EC students are totally complete right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So up to 1 month, so many. Again, some students are joining into my class. So again, I have to take the admit. Okay. Up to 1 month, so I will conduct the engineering. Drawing class, but due to some important work for the Sampath sir, so up to 1 month I will going to continue my classes for all the triply and as well as the EC students only. Triply and EC students. If any mechanical and as well as the civil students are there, just to join into the Sarita Madam class also. In the same timing, Sarita Madam class is also going to run. So in another website link. So everyone, only I am going to deal engineering drawing subject for ECE and as well as the triple students only. ECE and the triple students only. So other persons are there from other departments like mechanical and civil. So just you can go and join to the Sarita Madam class only. So now I want to continue my class for only triple and EC, right? So again, some students are joining. So first, some introduction of about engineering drawing, and second unit is freehand lettering and numbering. Freehand lettering and numbering classes are there. And the next one is the geometrical construction. So especially in this unit, I am going to discussing about here the geometrical construction only. What is that? Geometrical construction. So everyone has to purchase draw company as per specification, clean and as well the fine instrument.
Yes.
Everyone has to purchase the fine instruments such as compass, protractor, tri-squares and set squares, pro circle, and 2 or 3 different types of pencils again used and 1H pencils and HB pencils also for any written part is there in the engineering drawing. And the sheets are generally provided in our library, but you are not coming to the college. That's why everyone has to purchase some fresh drawing sheets from other outside of the bookstalls only directly. You can use any one, but you have to try to practice also compulsory, and you have to maintain a specific drawing table at your home for the drawing purposes compulsory. And the accuracy and efficiency of a particular drawing diagram mainly depends upon the fine instruments only. So the accuracy of a diagram mainly depends upon the fine instruments. If you are using fine instruments for your drawing, your diagram is more accurate than comparing to the normal drawings only, right? So mainly everyone has to use perfect engineering drawing instruments, right? So which may be some expensive than comparing to the normal instruments only. So you have to utilize the engineering instruments such as like divider and compass, scales and pro circle, what is that, set square, etc., etc. And mini drafter must be purchased. While you are purchasing the mini drafter, everyone has to check the drafter. All arms and screws and nuts are perfect or there or not. So by using of that one, and you have to set a particular location with along with the drawing table at your home for touching the engineering drawing daily. So engineering drawing subject is not a subject, actually it is a subject to improve your mind ability to turn into the technical education. So up to 10th standard, just your behavior and your attitude is entirely like a childhood nature also. Just you are coming to the school and you are leaving the school and you are going to home and you are coming from the home to the school, etc. And just childhood behavior is there at your school days. And you have to turn into the technical education. So B.Tech means Bachelor of Technology, M.Tech, Master of Technology. Before Master of Technology and as well as the Bachelor of Technology, Polytech is also there. That is the polytechnic that you are studying today. Polytechnic, poly means pre-technology, means Bachelor of Technology, you are going to become some elder, young and dynamic young and dynamic stage is there. So in that situation you are called as a bachelor. At that time, how much technology that you have to bear in as a Bachelor of Technology. So in this class especially, after that one you are going to become a master in the master level. You have to think and you have to utilize your technologies in with masterminds only. That is, the Master of Technology is nothing but the M.Tech. Before M.Tech and before B.Tech, you are going to become a childhood. You are coming from the childhood nature. So especially when you are in summer holidays, for example, now you are 8th class. So after summer you are going to join into this next class, that is 9th class. So the 9th class, entire the study material or the information is given which is put as the assignment to you. You have to learn some information about the 9th class in the summer vacations only, like a bridge course. This is called as a bridge course. In the same manner, before you are going to put your effort as a technical efforts into the technical education in the stage of bachelor and as well as in the stage of master, M.Tech and B.Tech. So you have some basic knowledge about the technical education. Now you are all called as the technical students only. There is a lot of difference between a technical and non-technical students. So intermediate students are non-technical students, but you are all the technical students. You have to do your work and you have to turn your thoughts into the technical education side also. For example, a work is there. Some work I am assigning to you also. Some work is there. So if I assign this work into some different person, so he will do that work in 1 hour. It takes 1 hour time to do that work by that particular ordinary person also. But as we technical students, so if I assign that particular task for you, what will you do? Just you can finish this work within 15 minutes. So there is a lot of difference in between the 1 hour time and as well as the 15 minutes time. As your technical engineering students, you are doing only the same work within few minutes, but the ordinary person, if I assign that work for the ordinary person, he is doing that work within 1 hour. So you can optimize and you can minimize the time daily also. You can easily optimize the time also. The technique means, for example, it's a more risk and more hard work also. By implementing of a small thought, we can reduce the time and you can minimize the manpower and you can minimize the hard work also. So automatic easy techniques without putting up any effort, we can easily do that work simply our simple thoughts only. So that is a technique. If you want to do any work with a simple manner, is nothing but he is using some techniques also. So today, countrysides in the north, ordinary peoples are also making so many wonders in the village sites also. They are using some different techniques to simplifying up their works in the general manner. But as we technical or engineering students, we have to think in the technical manner, and you have to do our works in the technical manner, and our body language also turn into the technical manner also. So that's why, and we should not waste our memory, and we should not waste our money, and we should not waste our valuable time also. So everyone know the importance of your time, money, and as well as the memory. So today we are completely addicting for the YouTube channels and different దిక్కుమాలినటువంటి ఛానల్స్ అన్ని కూడా చూస్తూ ఉన్నారు ఈ రోజు మీరు అన్ని కూడాను. At the same time, you are wasting your valuable times also. Just listen. Just keep your what is the voice in mute option, and video is also in mute option. Just concentrating on my words only. In the last end of my class 1:30 or means 1:15, I will close my class up to 1:50. I will provide 15 minutes for you just to share your feelings with me in the same meeting. Okay, you don't need to worry. So in that time you can unmute your voice option, and as well as the you can talk and you can share your feelings along with your friends with me also. You don't need to worry, but don't unmute your that mute button in the middle of the meeting, so it will become very disturbances to us. So it will making some noise also, so it is very irritating process for all the people also. That's why just keep your mute button in mute condition. So that's why just I am putting any work to you, so you can easily doing within few minutes also. That means you are employing some techniques. That's why you are all called a techie student. Techie student means it's not a proud, and you are not some different excitement person also. Just you are also ordinary person, but your thoughts are innovated thoughts. All are the innovated thoughts only. You are doing the innovated manner. So that's why you are keeping continuously that thought to becoming a good engineer, right? So at the time of your age may be either 15 minutes to 21, 22 years. In between of this particular age is called as a polytechnic student. So first of all, they are using some techniques to learn that one. And when you are becoming into the 22, 25, 26 ages, you are going to become a bachelor. That is a bachelor of technology. At that bachelor stage, how much technology do you have to gain by your brain also? So that task which will be provided by the government. So next one. After reaching up 25 years, you are all the masters. So you can make some innovative thoughts, and you can make some wonder, and you can create some wonders also. So with your own manner, you are like become a scientist. So right? So you can farm, and you can create some different formulas. You can suggest it, and you can do some projects also with your own manner, because of you have that much of knowledge at that time. So master level thoughts are implementing by your mind. So that's why you are master of technology. At that time, master of technology is nothing but the MTech. So today you are all the polytechnic. So before technique, so how much knowledge we should have, that is called as a technique. So right, you are all the polytechnic students. So your thoughts must be implemented like a technical student. So there is a big differences in between the technical and as well as the non-technical students also. So how can, suppose you are playing some chess. So what is the king, and what is the horse, and what is the elephant, what is the peon? So what are the coin which has to move from one place to the another place? You are thinking so many surroundings also. If you are taking one step in the chess game, so what is that content in particular contest to some opposite person is there. So you are entering into his body, and how does he think, and what is the next step he is going to take, and is there any problems, and is there any what is that different problems, and what type of problems do you have to face by moving of my kind from one point to the another point, and what type of steps do I have to take? Is it suitable for me? And if I take this particular step, is it benefit for me? And is there any surroundings Can I face any problem? So all these things you are mentally observing in the chess game also. So in that the same manner, so one task is there for you and your mind. So you think in that the same manner. You have to think in that the same manner. So you have to put your maximum effort to simplifying of that particular work, and you have to do in the simplest manner without putting up more effort from your mind. So it must be simplified, and automatically you have to optimize the time. That means you have to reduce the time. You have to reduce the work, hard work, and automatically the work must be as a efficient work. So all these things you have to remember, and such type of innovative technical thoughts will be implemented by, like a chess game. The engineering subject is included for all the departments only. Not only for the mechanical students and not only for the civil students, but also EEE, ECE, CSC, Marine, Machine, Mechanic, Mine, other branches are there. Whatever the branch in the polytechnic in the initial stage, so every branch contains here the engineering drawing subject. So engineering drawing subject is not a subject, it's a language of the engineers. So it's a language, actually it's a language of the engineers. Language means, is there any language code, sir? No. Just you are implementing, it's the language of communicating to your body, your mind, to others only. So you are not talking anything also, just you are showing your work ability on the paper, automatically your efficiency can be shown by your drawing also directly. So in that manner you are communicating. That's and it's the language of engineers. It's the language of engineers. So some engineering drawing techniques, and as well as some lettering, and as well as the numbering types, everything will be discussed when you are coming to the college. Actually, it's impossible to explaining up through these particular online classes also. But it's very essential, and it is very useful for all the students. And one more thing, my dear students, I am intimating you. So up to, I will start my class within a few seconds. So just keep a special white notebook. Just keeping white notebook and a pen and two different types of pencils and scale, compass, eraser, sharpener, etc. at you. So when you are attending to the engineering drawing class, you must prepare everything. So that I have said everything at you also, right? Now you are all listening my class. So everyone just keep just a notebook, white notebook, and compass, protractor, and scale, pencil, pen, eraser, sharpener, etc. So everyone has to keep all these instruments while you are listening my drawing class compulsory. If suppose I am doing some diagrams on the board also. It's not a board, it's a drawing sheet for me. You can do the same things in your drawing sheets also. Automatically the practice will be completed and you can go through the drawing sheet. So it will be final practice. Automatically you don't need to put any effort also. So today we will discussing some simple engineering drawing construction. Those are called as the geometrical construction. Geometrical toolkit is nothing but it's consisting of compass, protractor, divider, and pro-circle, etc., scale, set, squares, etc. So by using of all these instruments, so what are the curves and straight lines, and what are the methods are available to locating of a centers and to draw the tangents and to draw the parallel lines, to dividing of angles, to divide a straight lines into number of equal parts. All these geometrical principles we will learn. Actually it's a unit. Actually it is the fourth unit, but at your home you can do easily without a drafter machine also. Without a drafter also you can do by using of a simple instrument at your home. No problem. That's why we have started this unit only. So after this one, you are going to just you have some basic idea. We will get some basic idea, and you can go through a textbook, and as well you will do some your diagrams with your own manner by following up all the step-by-step engineering drawings. So now, especially, what do we have to do? some engineering drawing diagrams we will be we are taking, and these are very useful in the before drawings. So when you are entering into the second sem, you have again drawing subject in the second sem also. Half of the part included for the first semester and half of the drawing subject is included for the second semester. So in the future, you are not only for triple students, electrical drawing is there. For EC students, some communication related drawings are there. So today we are going to some geometrical principles. These principles are very useful to draw the other diagrams accurately by applying of all principles in every diagram also. These are very useful principles only. So that's why every principle we have to use and we have to try to draw. And finally these are very useful while you are taking some important drawings in the before semester. Right? Today we will going to discussing some different engineering diagrams only, right? So one is, first of all, geometrical construction. The first diagram is giving one title, just write down in your notebook. That is a bisect a straight line, right? Sampath sir said some important things in your before classes, don't worry. So today, from today onwards, I am going to continue my classes also, right? You don't need to worry. So now we have to write the bisect title. This is the title.